brand. The other thing beyond National Crafting Month is we're celebrating Women's History Month all month long, and we're really highlighting women-owned businesses. And Stephanie, who you're meeting next, is one of those people. She is a phenomenal designer, and what she specializes in is just some of the cutest things you will ever see. And this is called Stamps of Life. It's an oval, brand new, flip it die card making kit. Look how cute this is. So you get this cute little flip, a cute little saying, and a cute little surprise. Now, not only do you get the flip mechanism, and you can obviously put anything inside that circle, you also are gonna get embellishments to use and die cut for that specific circle if you wanna use what's included. So it's an entire die system. Also coming up, just FYI, we have the Flip It word dies floating around here somewhere, and a little, oh, is it sold out? Oh, the kids, okay, so sorry, those are gone, so don't miss out on this, it's brand new. Hi, Stephanie, thanks for being a part of my show tonight.
Hello there, Suzanne, how are you tonight?
I'm good, it's good to have you with us.
Nice to be here, and I'm so proud to be part of the women's owned businesses because yes, we are. Yes. I turned my hobby into a job. But here we have the oval flip it card die set that I designed exclusively for HSN because you know what? It's really fun, it's really interactive, and anytime you send somebody one of these cards, they're going to say, wow, how'd you do that? How'd you do that? I don't understand how you did that. And you're going to say, you know what? It only took me about an hour and a half. I spent all this great time, but you know what? Between you and me, it literally takes less than 5 minutes. Now, you are getting everything you need to create this. You're getting the happy birthday. You're getting the cute little cupcake. You're getting also the words hello. Here's the one hello. You can even make it a shaker if you want to. And you're getting these cute little tiny dragonflies. Now, before we even show you even all the other samples I have, I want to show you how easy it is to do because it's so important for people to see you can do this in less than 5 minutes. And I'm going to do it in way less than 5 minutes. Now, you get all these dies, and the most important die is the largest die. That's the die that's going to cut your base. So I've already die cut that here, and then I've cut the 2 other pieces that are the layering pieces. So I'm just simply going to add adhesive to the back of those. And you know what? I have done all of the measuring for you. You don't have to line this up. You don't have to take it to a trimmer. Everything is completely measured for you. Everything is done. You're going to lay those 2 layers down. Then you're going to hold it in the air and fold it. You're going to fold it in half towards you. Take the top flap and fold it up, and then turn it to the left. The little side's always on the left, and look at that. Boom. That's how fast that goes. Now, we get to decorate it, right? Now, it does come with happy birthday. It also comes with hello. So I've already die cut those. We're just going to lay those down right there like that. I have my cute little cupcake that it comes with, and we can lay that down right there. And then if I want to send some little, put my little message on the inside, I'm going to drop that in there right.
Hey, I want to show you a little trick that I did one time. I did something similar to this, and what I did was my son was getting ready to graduate from high school, so I put one of his kindergarten pictures in the front, and then when you opened up the invitation, it was his graduation picture on the inside. So it could be baby's first birthday and baby's 20th birthday. There's so many things, hello, goodbye, you know, wishing you best of luck on your new job. It's fun because it's interactive, and it's really easy to use. Here's the thing I love about a die set like this. You can do any colors you want. You can do any theme you want. It could be Happy Father's Day. You know, it just goes on and on. It could be a baby puppy and a grown-up puppy. I don't know. You just let your imagination go crazy. But the cool thing is, once you have the dies, you use them forever and ever and ever, right? And unlike having a ready-made card kit, once you use up all the cards, you're like, oh, I don't have any more cards. With the dies, you actually can just do the colors you want, the themes you want, the reasons you want. Can you imagine if you did a baby reveal card and the front, it's like boy or girl, and then when they flip it open, it's like either the boy or the girl. Look, I could sit here and think about a million things, right? And I know you can too. This is a great, great kit because again, the things you'll do with it will really surprise you, and it's really fun. It's like a happy thing to get when someone gives you an interactive card. Stephanie, you back with me? Did we get your signal straightened out?
I am back.
Okay.
You know, modern technology, you never know what's going to happen. But we have so many different samples to share with you, and you don't even have to use the oval. Like you said, you can put anything else in there. So here I have a cute little heart. Open that up, thinking of you. That was in the add-on that is already sold out. This has even a hidden panel. So you can do a hidden panel technique where you can get that extra little piece in there. But you can have so many different options with this. Again, here's that fun shaker. I don't know if you guys got to see that earlier, but you know, we all love our shaker cards. And again, there's that fun cupcake. But you get to mix and match. You don't have to put one of those words on there. Look, here's a cute little llama. Isn't that adorable? And you can just make this for any time you want. Oh, here's a pretty fall card. Lots and lots of different options.
Hey, Stephanie.
And you're also going to get the idea book. Yes.
You know what I thought of too? Can you imagine it's like we're having a baby? Like any surprise or happy first birthday. Like there's so many cool things you could do with this when you start really imagining the opportunities you have with it. But guys, you have to have the dies to do it. And again, you know what, Stephanie, I love that you did it in die format because again, I love our card kits. They're great. But once you use up all the cards, you're done. With dies, that's never ending.
Right. And you know what? Yeah, they're going to last you forever. So you're going to be making these in 10 years. You're going to be still making these. And they just mix and match. They're fun. They have the great pieces that already are layering the cutout, so you don't have to do any measuring. It's one and done. The entire kit, everything you need to make this card is in the kit. You can add your own items to it as well, but you have everything you need in this kit, and you are ready to go. The second you get it home, you're going to open it up, and you're going to start wowing everybody you get these cards. Imagine giving this card to someone. They're literally going to think you spent hours on it. And, you know, it's our secret. We won't tell anybody, but it's our secret that it didn't take you hours.
I love it. Stephanie, thanks for being a part of my show tonight. It was great seeing you again, as always.
Thank you.
Really, really clever. Yeah, don't miss out. I know you're going to love it. I think we've sold, what, 700 sets now? I sold out of some other stuff in the show, so do not miss out on this. It's still available. Okay, so here's a couple of things that's going on. We have a lot going on today. All right, coming up at 9:30 tonight, right after the show is done here on HSN, I'm going to be on HSN.